Okay, we got to put the chickens up. We didn't get any more bad weather. As you can see, it just like blew. We had some wind.
What happened?
They're playing.
Oh. Thought he saw something I didn't see.
And
Just high
didn't
winds,
get no more.
but no
Just high
damage.
winds. Yeah, it wasn't really high winds like it was the other day.
Don't trip on Merlin behind you.
So
Nope.
they're in a playing mood.
I know it. Don't jump up on them.
Oh, Rose is out. She'll have to be run back around. Go around, Rose. We got a straggler behind. You should have brought some worms.
Y'all go in.
They're all running to the back because this one here is out.
Yeah, and
Should have brought some worms.
well, I should have. Alrighty, let's get Rose in, and then we'll get you all to the other side. Come on, Rose, go around. Come on, Rose. Come on, Rose. Come on, Rose. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Rose.
The black one's out.
I know it. Come on. Come on, Rose. Come on. Come on, Tourmaline. I know it. Come on. Come on, Kiki. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, I'll put the old ones up first.
What are you doing?
All right, come on.
What are you doing, Majestic? What you doing, boy? She run back out.
Come on, Mr. Onyx.
Is she coming in?
Lovely. Come on. Come on. Come on. Onyx, call your girl.
Time to go to bed. Right, time to go to bed. Time to go to bed.
Go on. Go on, mister. Go on, mister. Go on. Go on. Go on. Get on up there. Get on up. No. Go back in. Rose, you're the troublemaker.
They don't want to go to bed in there.
3 hours. Go on.
What kind of shut the door? See, you should have brought some worms. You wouldn't have no trouble. They would have followed you right in there. Well, why don't you go get some?
No, I ain't going back out all the way through there. Come on. Go around. Go around. Go on. They're in. I just gotta wait for them to get on the roost because they can't see in the dark. 4 of them is up. 5 of them is up. Hurry up. Go on up.
I don't hear the rooster crowing.
He's waiting for selenite to go up so he can be the last one to go up. Go on up. Go on.
Walk over here. Damn, big trip.
Go on. 6 of them is up. They're all up.
Cody, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Cody, Cody. Guess we can turn.
Okay. Yep. Okay, so while I'm right here, I wanted to say thank you. We wanted to say thank you to all of our family members, all of our friends, all of our subscribers, the viewers, the people that send us private messages saying that they hope that we get through the hurricane okay. And as you can see, we got no damage other than the chicken coop is real muddy, but that's expected because before Hurricane Helena, it rained for like, I don't know, 5 days straight or something.
Yeah, the rain
like
comes
that.
off that mountain right there.
Yeah.
Off that
Friday,
bank,
Saturday,
right
Sunday,
down
Monday,
into the
Tuesday, Wednesday,
chicken.
Thursday, Friday. Actually, 8 days it rained prior, 7 or 8 days prior to the hurricane coming in. And so we were totally, totally blessed. We want to say thank you to everybody for your prayers. Now we'll go out and we'll turn on the fence. Let me see if he's eating all his food.
We got to fix this tomorrow.
Yep.
With some plywood and some 2x4s. All right.
Now we turn on the fence. It's showing it's getting cloudy again, but I didn't check the Doppler, so the storm's already over with. This just may be some lingering stuff. There's Merlin underneath the swing.
Yep. There he is. Cat eyes. You can see his eyes. He looked away.
Oh, let me pick up that plastic and put it in there that I threw over the fence.
Okay. The little homestead. Hope I don't have to mow no more.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your blessings.